Namaste, my name is Nikhilesh and I teach artificial intelligence and large language models in a very simple language. In this video, we'll talk about how to create a chatbot like ChatGPT for your own data. So, we know that we can ask any questions to ChatGPT and it can provide answers. Now, what about that data which is proprietary or about that data which ChatGPT has not seen? So for that, we can do retrieval augmented generation where we provide our own data and then a large language model like ChatGPT can basically refer to our data and generate results. So let's see uh, how we can do that. So for that, we'll be using Google Cloud. You have to sign in on Google Cloud. So if you don't have account in Google Cloud, you can do that, and then you can come back again to this video. Let me show you the document that we'll upload. So this is the document. It's a document on AI hardware, new opportunities for semiconductor companies. So you can see this is the document. We'll upload it and we'll ask questions related to the content which it has. So now if you can see, the technology stack for artificial intelligence contain 9 layers. Maybe we can ask this question. Companies will find many opportunities in the artificial intelligence market with leaders already emerging with the training and inference. So basically uh, this is the document we will be uploading and we will be creating a chatbot for this. So come back to Google Cloud. When you log in, Google provides $300 worth of credit for first 3 months. So basically you can start it for free. You can see I have free trial status. I have around 25,000 rupees credit for 77 days. So here you can see I have already created a project. Otherwise, for you, if you're creating it the first time, you'll see my first project here. Click on that and create a new project. So let's give like drag demo. Let me call it like this. And you can have your organization and you can create a project. So okay, once the project is done, the name of the service through which you can do this is search and conversation. So you need to search and conversation in the bar and you'll see here. So basically you need to come here and you need to create a new app. So now there are multiple options. You have search option, you have chat option where you can answer complex questions out of the box, and you can also do recommendations. Let's start with the basic. Let's have search and this thing. So it will ask you what features do you want to use in your app. You have all the enterprise edition features and you have your all advanced LLM features. So let's say I do this rag demo app. So let me create this app external name of your company, let's say name of my company is EIML, etc. And we want the location to be multi-global, so let me create that. And so it's saying that we don't have any data store, so let's create a new data store. So basically this is what we want. So now you can have your website. You can also import data from BigQuery table, and you can also import data from the cloud storage, or you can also import data manually by calling the API. So now because we have a PDF, let's do in the cloud storage. So here we have to browse the file. So when you say browse, you can create a new bucket here where you'll say demo rag bucket, create the bucket. Now once you have created the bucket, create a new folder. Okay, so now we need to, so we have created a folder. Now we have to add that PDF into that folder. For that we'll be using cloud storage. So close this and now search cloud storage here. Now you can see you have cloud storage. So now when you have this, you'll get this kind of screen. Now if you scroll down, you can so now we have created demo rag bucket. Let's click on that. Click on our demo rag folder that we have created, and now we can upload the files here. You can upload all the folders as well, and from here you can create a new folder as well. Now let's upload the files. So I have that file. So let's use this file. So now you can see we have uploaded the file. Now again come back to our search and conversation where we have created our app. So now we'll access that app, will access the file, and we'll have a chatbot where it will refer this PDF and provide us the answer. Now now if you can see, you have this thing. So it will take some time now. So basically now it is done. So now it's saying that the data is uploaded. You can see the artificial intelligence hardware file, and it was done. Now let me import the data here. We need to import the data here. So we'll select, we have stored that in cloud storage, and we'll use that file. We'll use our demo rack bucket. In the demo rack folder we have this file. So now let's select this file, and now let's import. So basically we have just created an app, and basically we are just importing the folder. That's it. So now you can see we have imported a new file, which is today Jan 30th 2020. Now let's see the preview. So we have the data. Now let's ask any question here. It will refer this PDF and provide us the answer. So let's say, let me ask this question. So what are the technology stack, or maybe I can ask this question, that so where exactly AI will drive the most growth. Let me, where AI will drive the most growth. Answer, ask this. Now you can see it is referring and generating the response. So AI will drive the most growth in storage, but the best opportunities for value creation. And it also that which document it has referred. So now because we have only one document, it has referred, but it has also uh, tells you the where is exactly it has found this. So AI will drive most growth in storage, but the best opportunities for value creation. This is what you can see. AI will, but the best opportunity. So this is where it has identified. So so now with this you have your chatbot, which you can integrate with your application as well. So they provide integration options as well. So you have the widget, right? You can integrate this widget in your application, and they also provide the API, so through which you can use this thing. uh, so now here Google will use its own LLM. It will not use ChatGPT or any OpenAI's LLM. You have to rely on Google's LLM here. So though GPT series are the best LLMs that we have, GPT-4 is has the best performance. L In terms of LLM performance, Google is not that behind, but yes, it is slightly less than what GPT series can do. So here you get these APIs, you can use them, and here you get the widget which you can integrate with your application. So I hope you understood. This is a very simple thing that is a very interesting and very useful application, service which uh, Google is providing. So you can use Google Cloud Platform to create a chatbot for your own data, where your users, you yourself or your users can come and ask questions which is based on your proprietary data, or which is based on your own data. Thank you.